Hi, my name is Gleb Miknovets. I make video games, and here are two video games that I made recently. I made them in my own engine, and I want to make a series of videos about the engine, how I made it, and what I learned. I don't want it to be a tutorial because I'm still learning, and I just wanted to discuss what I learned. Here is a video from the game. It's a 3D engine, and when I started to make it, I realized that it's not enough just to make the rendering part. It's not enough just to show things on the screen, because you also need a sound, you also need the way of attaching code to the objects in the scene, and you want something that combines everything together. When we think about the famous engines like Unity or Unreal, they are mostly the first thing that we remember is how they make this work environment, how they combine everything. Here is what I think you need to think when you create your own engine. How level design will work, how rendering will work, how gameplay logic will be combined with your 3D objects. And here is what I made. This engine called PlayKit, and it basically combines native Apple frameworks and Xcode. And I think it works well. It allows you to quickly prototype some simple games. It's very easy to begin. It's very easy to make a level, and like in 2 minutes you already have something working on the screen. So this is how I make games. I start with making a level in Blender, and I make the whole level in one file. I don't make separate files for different objects. I just make everything in one file, and then I load it in Xcode. Here I have this scene is in Blender, and the good part is that the lighting and the shaders, it's all how it will look in the game, because this preview uses the same renderer, SceneKit renderer. And here I have a code. Also, there is a convenient thing in Xcode that it has a version control integration. When I make some changes, I see this blue line, and I see this symbol near the name of the file, and I can make like a journal of changes. I can see dates when I made the changes, and if I mess something up, I can revert back easily. So it's very convenient. There's also a lot of other things that I want to discuss, but I will show them in the next videos. I wanted to show how I make models, how I texture them. I wanted to show how entity component system works in my engine, all these technical things. But I want to keep videos short. So for now, that's it. Thank you. Bye.